Okay, so good afternoon, grade 8 students. So for this afternoon, we're going to have your virtual laboratory using the PhET simulation. Okay, so our PhET simulation or our virtual laboratory for this in your science class this afternoon is about eating and exercise. So since we have your nutrition unit or your unit about nutrition, so this will be our virtual laboratory using PhET simulation. Okay, so um, in this activity or in this lab investigation, you will be investigating how health and exercise affects the human body by testing different variables and comparing health over a time period of 1 year. Okay, so what are our objectives for this PhET simulation? Okay, about health and exercise. First, we will be comparing the relationship between gender and health for two people of the same physical build. Okay, and opposite genders. And also, we will be discovering the relationship between exercise and health by comparing two people of the same gender and physical build and different amounts of exercise. So what you will be doing first is to click this link here, okay? Or you can also download it here, okay? You can download the simulation in your laptop. Again, you need a Java download for this. It's free, so you can download the software in your laptops, okay? After that, you will be clicking the play button to launch the simulation. When you click the play button, the screen will appear, okay? So, yes, so this is your PhET simulation. When you click it, you just need to download it. And again, you will be needing Java for this to run, okay? And it will appear like this in or on your screen, right? So what you will be doing first, okay? So for the exploration phase, okay, you can select a gender, okay, here, female or male. So you can choose which gender. Okay, here you can also see the unit, okay? It could be in English and metric. We will be using the metric unit, so it's in kilograms, okay? Again, we will be using metric, which is in kilograms. So you can select the age, the height, weight, and body fat here. So you can change it here, okay? Or you can also type it here, all right? Example 16, okay? And you can play the play button to watch what happens to the person's weight and calorie intake over a period of time, okay? You will see the weight here. Okay, you start with 135 kilograms, and you can also see the calories per day here. Okay, now you can also add different diets here. So you can click more to check on more diets. So this is a diet per day, okay? And here, if you choose, okay, for example, cup milk cool 150 calories, you will see here how many calories per day has been added to that individual, okay? So this is the calories per day. So the diet for the day of that person. You will see also here, okay? So the calories per day for the exercises, okay? So you can add different activities or exercises here. And then when you click the play button, so for example, you choose, when you click the play button, it will move, all right? You can click play or you can click this forward, okay, to see, okay, and check the graph, okay? You need to check the graph, and then, okay, if the activity will ask you to take a picture of the graph, so you can just screenshot it, okay? So for example, here, I want to screenshot the graph here. I can just screenshot the graph, okay? And I have the screenshot of that graph. All right. So what we will be doing is I will be putting you in two teams, or sorry, three teams. Okay, there will be three rooms. So we have the first breakout room where Nilab will be the leader, and then the second room where Sharon will be the leader, and the third room where Joy will be the leader. Okay. Okay, so this will be the groupings this afternoon. Okay, so Alex, Alan, Gordon, Jason, Nilab, and Young will be in one group or in one team. Then Sharon, Lynn, Maggie, Mina, Sylvia in one group. And then Joy, Kevin, Leo, C1, and Winnie in one group. All right. So I will be opening the breakout rooms. Okay. And then you will be receiving a prompt to join that room. Okay. Now, once you join that room, um, Nilab, Sharon, and Joy can share their screens so that you can start your simulation or the PhET simulation. Okay. So you will be answering these questions here. Okay, if you look at your Microsoft OneNote, so you will be answering questions. So first, what are some factors that can affect a person's weight? And what do you think is more important to a person's overall health, exercise, or diet, and why? After answering this question, so you can discuss this with your group, you will be going to the explanation phase. Okay, we have aim number one, which is to compare the relationship between gender and health for two people of the same physical build and opposite genders. So your activity one will be gender versus health. Okay, you will be resetting the button of your simulation, and then you will be setting it according to the instructions. Okay, and again, you take a screenshot of your findings and paste below. Okay, now you will be answering these questions also. And then for the next one, you will be aim number two, you will be discovering the relationship between exercise and health by comparing two people of the same gender and physical build and different amounts of exercise. So for activity two, it is exercise versus health. You will follow again the instructions given here, and you have to fill in the table here, okay, and answer the questions that follow, right? Now this, where are you going to put this? Okay, so you just have to copy this um, lab exercise, and then, okay, okay. So you just have to copy this, sorry, from the exploration phase, copy this, and then paste it to your interactive, okay, sorry, paste it to your interactive journal. So I made an interactive journal for everyone. So you just look for your names here and then just copy paste it. So for example, for Gordon, okay, I'll just copy paste it here. Okay, and then you can start answering the questions here. All right. So you can start answering the questions here. You can write it. Okay, if you're using your iPad, you can write it using your pen, your Apple Pen, or you can also just type it. Okay, all right. Okay. Okay, so I will be opening all the rooms. And for, again, for Nilab, Sharon, and Joy, kindly open and share your screens with your classmates, okay? Okay, for Jason, yes, for Jason, kindly join the breakout rooms. Jason, kindly join the breakout rooms. All right, so for now, the students are in the breakout room, so I will be going, okay, to the rooms one by one and check how are they discussing the lab investigation. Okay, so hello everyone. All right, so okay. Why all call us for the day? Okay.
Just doing something random.
Okay. Yeah. So here, so the students are discussing and collaborating with each other using the PhET simulation. Okay. All right. I'll be going back to here, okay, to check on your progress. I'll be going to the other rooms first.
Okay.
If you have any questions or problems, just let me know. Just message me, okay? Okay, so this is, okay, so the group leader here is Cheirin. Okay, so hi Cheirin, so how's it going here? So Cheirin and Maggie, all right? And Mina and Sylvia. All right, so you can help out, Maggie, you can help in answering the questions and doing the simulation if you have any questions here, okay?
Sure.
All right, so here you can, you can start answering the questions, the explanation phase, right? And if there will be new students coming, I will be assigning them, I might be adding them, okay? It's either to your group or to the other group, okay? Right. So hello, Joy. Okay, so Joy, Kevin, Leo, C1, and Winnie. So for this one, again, answer the questions in your lab investigation, the virtual lab eating and exercise. So Joy is sharing her screen, and then you can discuss with each other the aim number one, activity one, gender versus health, and activity two, which is exercise versus health. All right. If you have any questions or problems, just let me know in the chat box. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay. So you can discuss here. So you can talk to Joy. You can discuss here what are the data that you will be putting in the simulation. Okay. All right.
Hands.
我操！
Wait, I just want to see this. If we make a
我操！
female and then
What's happening? What is happening here? What are you doing to the female?
we're experimenting, like, because it kind of looks very weird, you know.
Okay.
And then we tried experimenting with the fat and everything, and we got this thing.
Okay. All right.
Okay, I want to try to go back to normal. She's 1 meter tall.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. The lab.
我操，好可怜啊！
All right,
Well,
yeah.
what is the variable for the first trial? I forgot to record it.
哈，我有录屏，你知道吗？
69.8.
我有录屏，你要吗？
Ages 28 years and
The age was
身高是1.6米，
没有，那个年龄是多少？
年龄是28，
28几？
忘了。
Let's just try it again.
Okay. Then 28.0 first.
没有，我记得我有录下来一段，我去看一眼。
Her age.
28.3，28.3刚刚是
28.3是不是？刚刚第一次。
没有，不是28.3，是28年，然后呢3个月。
对，28.25，28.25。
好瘦啊！
So in the last experiment, right, basically her weight went up. So we should give her some more healthy food.
Vegetables.
Potato. Yes.
Oh.
开虚坤，开虚坤。
Chicken. Or fruit.
Do you think we should add more exercise?
蹦迪，担心，蹦迪。
Interesting.
Play ball.
A horse.
Is that exercise?
Oh my god. I don't ask where she got the heavy truck from. Ooh. Oh, they're dancing.
We're dancing.
Dancing. Anyway, you think we should just try the experiment with this? All right, we're trying.
Oh,
3, 2, okay, wait, I'm gonna record this.
OK，
I think it's recording. Good news, it's not recording. Okay, screw it. Can somebody just screen record this?
阿兰，
好，
那个给我那个第一次试验的话呢，他的身高是多少？
我再去看一眼，等我一下。身高是1.7米。
不行啊，我觉得第一次，我觉得要重来，因为这边我等会一下，
那就再试一遍。多好解决，再来一遍不就好？
Okay, so right now all of the students are now in their breakout rooms. And yeah, so I assigned 3 leaders, okay, to share their screen for their investigation, and then they will be discussing on how are they going to do the exploration phase, the explanation phase, and the application phase. So they will be discussing, okay, what age are they going to choose, what height are they going to choose, weight, body fat, and also the exercises and the diet that they will be choosing. Okay, so if you look at the PhET simulation here, okay, so the student can choose the diet here again and the exercise here. So they can just put it here to their log. Okay, and yeah, you will see how many are burnt, okay, calories, or how many calories per day will be burnt. Okay, so for example, here, if they chose like skateboarding, 15 minutes skateboarding, so that's 45 calories. And then 15 minutes basketball, that's 60 calories. So that's what they are going to do with their PhET simulation. Okay, so I'm gonna visit again some of the rooms to check out what the students are doing. Okay, let's see sharing script.
Still record.
Wait, hold on.
There's no need. If you
Okay,
want,
There's no need to change. Are you sure that's 1 breakfast, lunch, dinner, 2 snacks? Oh yeah, 3 meals and 2 snacks. Are you sure?
Yes, so we have this for lunch or dinner, doesn't really matter. The baked potato for lunch or dinner. This is just a drink. I think this is a snack. No, wait, this is part of the
Okay.
breakfast because the breakfast is very small.
Egg.
An apple is one snack, Oreo one snack.
Okay, so first of all, the meals including what?
Egg,
Including,
potato, apple. I'm actually just writing it down.
okay, just write it down in group chat.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. That's it.
Apple, potato,
Okay, we got
Oreo.
egg, apple,
apple, potato,
potato,
milk, Oreo.
potato, milk, Oreo, and cheese. That's the food selection. And exercises.
And the exercise that we have 15 minutes for going to work. Let me just write that down.
Okay.
And final time. Good news is she's lowering weight, but like it's really less.
Is that recording?
I'm not sure, but I don't think it really matters. If we just take a picture at the end, that's what matters.
Okay.
Okay, so again, right now you are in question part one, the female.
Yes.
Okay,
Ah,
all right.
Love,
Yeah.
you can stop the simulation now.
Why do you say that?
It passes more than a year already.
Yes. Okay, so you can check the year. So only for
Yeah.
1 year. Oh no, but this is 29 to 30. Yeah, you have to end it until the last one.
It's
No,
28
we
to
started
30,
from
right?
28.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so that's 7 point. Yeah, only here. So that's 28 to 29 only. So
All right,
half.
that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, I took a picture.
Can you check what happened in 2029?
So, all right, let's do a comparison very quickly.
Yeah.
So her weight before was 60
Wait,
kilograms.
Nilab, I suggest you click you can see the minus button on the right side, right, of the graph.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click that so that, yeah, try to click it. Minus.
It just went
Yeah.
down.
Okay, keep clicking minus. Oh, sorry. Okay, click plus so that you will only have. Okay.
Ooh, okay, I went a bit too much.
Yeah. If you don't really need the data, okay. And then maybe you can also, yeah, you can do that. And then for the calories per day also, you can subtract. Oh, sorry, you can add. Yep. Okay. Yep.
So before she was 60 kilograms, now she's 58. So 1 kilogram
After
per
2
year.
years.
Yeah. So 1 kilogram every year.
Okay, so the weight after a year is 59 kg, 59 kg, and body fat is
12.6.
that's 2 years.
Yeah. So if you're gonna be precise, her weight is 57.902. But I think we can just round it to 58.
Ugh.
Okay, so I think, so Alex, tell me when you're done writing everything down.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, so that you can message in the chat so that you can discuss also your answers to the question for the first before the exploration phase. Okay.
She is 94.2241.
Gilbert.
Alan, what time did you take the picture? Why are there 3 lines?
哇，截图鬼才，我操！
外界
94.24，14.241减去60，除2。
Let's do it with a guy.
Yes. Let's do it.
Oh my god, okay, wonderful. Super fat everywhere, and then when we turn to the boy, he looks normal.
타코인가? 저거 이름이 뭔지 볼 수 있어?
타코.
저렇게 마우스로 저거 거기다 갖다
우와.
대면
어떤 거?
저 음식 이름이
아씨, 쌤 오셨다.
그러면 그 뭐지? 저 이름 저 안 보이나?
보여. 어떤 거?
저거 이름 타코 오케이 하고 그 마지막에 막 그 옆에 있었던 거 그거 이름을 모르겠어.
와이파이 이거
그러니까 그 콜라 밑에 있는 거.
이거.
잠깐만 타이핑해.
미친. 내가 보내줄게.
봤어.
봤어. 오케이. 왜 이래.
됐다. 이거 내가 좀 이따 사진 찍어가지고 올려야겠다.
되나요? 잠깐만 나 햄버거. Click the play button at 1 year. 돌려 지금? 클릭해?
시작하면 될 것 같아.
네. 이게 안 되네.
1년을 가야 돼. 1년.
1년 맞지? 오케이. 이상한 거 나왔다.
Okay, so yes, that's how we are conducting our lab investigation remotely, how we do online simulation using PhET simulation. So yes, you can do this as well in your classes and especially in your science class, your biology, chemistry science, or your chemistry classes or your physics classes. All right, so that is how the whole simulation, virtual lab simulation using Zoom, okay, breakout rooms, and also PhET simulation. You can try it out with other simulations as well, as long as you have your student screen being shared, okay, and then your class can do it collaboratively, okay. So this is collaboration in a lab investigation online, right? That's it. Thank you so much.